Multiplication of polynomials mainly uses law of exponents, law of exponents, that is x to the power a times, if you have x to the power b, then you add the sum. And also it uses the distributive property, distributivity property, okay, which we can just show here, like if you have a coefficient, let's say alpha times x plus something x0. So it's how the distributivity, you distribute the multiplication, okay? Like numbers, alpha x plus alpha x0, okay? So combining the two, we can multiply two polynomials. Now, using, of course, this two, we have some formula that may be useful, some product forms that are useful to memorize, to have them to have them so that you can save time in your calculation. Okay, for example, when you have a minus b to the power everything to power 2, we say it's a squared minus the double product plus b squared. Okay, if you have the sum, also you will have the sum here. So things like that, a minus if you have, yes, a minus b, uh, what else, a square minus b, or a minus b times a plus b. Okay, these are the usual one we use always, e2 minus b2, so you don't have to do the whole distributivity, then add the terms. You can gain some time like that. Okay, so but the idea is mainly this, those are the tools we are using, okay, for multiplying two polynomials. So let's do some practice. And for example, through the first example here, simplify, okay, simplify. So multiply and simplify, okay. These products, 5x minus 6 times 2x minus 3. So here, for example, I don't have a simple form like that. It's not an a minus b square. So I have to use the distribution, okay, and the power exponent. So distributivity, so like I have 5x, like it's 5x multiplied by the whole, then minus 6 and multiplied by 2x minus 3. Okay, we can proceed like that or proceed differently. So then you use, this is the first distribution I use it. And then now I have then 5, I will group 5x times like 2x, okay, minus 5x times 3. So here I'm writing everything in details, but you don't have to, it's okay, minus, you can keep minus 6 times minus 3. Okay, then you be careful, you group the constants. So 5 times 2, this is the commutativity property, so 5 times 2 is 10. X times x, we use law of exponents, it will be x squared, okay, square. Then minus 5 times 3, 15 x, here minus 12x, and then here plus 18. Then you group the terms, okay, it's minus, so 27 x and plus 18. So here is my product. Okay, now let's do one more. Here it is. 2x2, you have also developed this product plus 3y square power 2. So this one, for example, I can locate it like an identity or this form. So I can say is 2x2 power 2, okay, plus the double product, 2 times 2x2, just to save time. Otherwise, distributivity also works, okay. So y, we have y square and then plus 3y square, everything power 2. Now, here you use operations on powers. It's not, you have these low, you have also xa to the power b, so it will be xa times b. So this is what we need here. 2 times 2, 2 times 2, x2 power 2, okay? Here you group the constant 2 times 2 times 3, so 4 times 3, 12, then x2, y2, and here also 3 power 2 and y2 power 2. So finally I will get 4 x power 4 plus 12 x2, y2, and 9 y by 4. Okay? Last example is, for example, one, then that you have an expression, let's say longer expression, okay? You are asked to simplify your calculation, do all the necessary calculations. So you have minus 2 times 2 minus 6x, okay, times minus x minus 1 plus 5x2 minus 10x and plus 3. So here I can, yes, I can use my, I can, so I have like 3 products. So I can keep a minus 2 first at the last and do focus on those 2 products. So use the distribution 2 times minus x. I can do it like that, 2 times minus x. Then 2 times the second, okay? First step, second step. 2 times minus x, then plus, you can say plus 2 times minus 1, then minus 6x times minus x, then minus 6x times minus 1. Okay, and you add the other polynomial 5x2 minus 10x plus 3. So let's, yes, continue here. You have then minus 2x, okay, minus 2 plus 6x2 plus 6x, okay, and 5x2. So you see, you need to go slowly here. Yes, so here I have minus 2. The number of x's here, you will have 4x, so we'll have minus 8x, okay? Minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 times 6x2 is minus 12x2, okay? And plus 5x2 minus 10x and plus 3. And finally, I can have then, so I have then minus, I can regroup terms, so the x2, so we will have minus 7x2, minus 18x, and plus 7. So here is my final answer. Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is how, yes, of course, we can have 3 products. For example, we can imagine having to compute, let's say, 2x minus 1, factor x minus 1, 4 times x plus 4. If I have a product like that, then I can go step by step. For example, I see here an identity, this one. I can use it. So I will say it's 2x minus 1, it's x2 minus 4 squared. And then I use the distribution then. So here I use the fact, this property, a minus b times a plus b is e2 minus b2. Okay, and then I'm saving time in using a distribution. Then I develop, so I will have 2x times x2 minus, so here it's 16 times 2, 32x minus x2, then plus 16. Then in group terms, you have 2x power 3 minus x2 minus 32x and plus 16. Okay, so this is how we do it.